Exponential regression.
Introduction. Ebola virus disease, EVD, is a deadly disease with occasional outbreaks that occur primarily on the African continent. EVD most commonly affects people and non-human primates, such as monkeys, gorillas, and chimpanzees. It is caused by an infection with a group of viruses within the genus Ebola virus. What is an exponential regression? An exponential regression is the process of finding the equation of the exponential function that fits best for a set of data. How do we use it? As a result, we get an equation of the form y equals avx, where a is not equal to 0. The relative predictive power of an exponential model is denoted by R2. The value of R2 varies between 0 and 1.
Well, this is our exponential regression that we obtain thanks to the data given on the graph. Our function is 46.52 times e elevated to 0.02x.
This is our exponential regression in Desmos, and we will show you how it works.
So this represents the movements of the sliders in Desmos. On the video we can appreciate how they move using the x and the y coordinates. We made some ranges depending on our results, and this is how the graph moves.
For the conclusion, we will need to answer these 3 questions, and we're going to explain them. Conclusion questions, we will start having our variables. X is the time and y is the deaths. And now we're going to put our function. For question number 1, we have to search for the number of deaths in 2019. For this, we're going to start using our function. For this, we need to calculate the number of days, and this is represented by x. And we need to consider the 4 years, but starting in May of 2014 and ending in January of 2019. Then we sum them all, and we get a result of 1,679 days. This represents our x, and we put it and do the function. In question 2, we didn't obtain the same results as the Dr. White because we didn't have more data than January 2015, and because it is an exponential regression, that means it increases with time. In this situation, it was a lot of time between 2015 and 2019 without any data.
Okay, for question number 3, we need to guess in which date there will be 1,850 deaths. So first we put our function and we need to find x. So we divide everything between 46.52. Then we put ln in both sides so we cancel e. And finally we divide everything between 0.02. So this will give us the results of 184 days and the exact date